Hello, my name is Jason Snyder Rendo Montoya. I have 25 years old. I am tall. I have hair, black hair, and white skin. I like to wear jeans, shorts, tennis, and shorts. I live with my wife, Erika Naranjo, and my children, Ana Maria and Santiago Rendon. My wife is nurse, and my children is students. My mother is named Amparo Montoya. She is white skin, curly hair, and eyes blacks. And my father is named Alberto. He is short and fat. He has no hair. My father, I like hats and teeth. My place of residence is in a small town called San Clemente, located in the municipality Guateca of department Risaralda. Its territory is very mountains, but very beautiful. You can travel in car, bus, and motorcycle. My town is small, very friendly. Thank you very much.